Aizu Takatsue is one of the bigger resorts in the Tohoku region. While it is still relatively small, the resort offers a range of terrain that will keep skiers of all levels entertained. Keep watching for mountain hacks like how to get to Aizu Takatsue and the best trails for all skill levels.
The views from the summit give a full perspective of the beauty of Fukushima Prefecture, while the surprising 700-meter vertical, snow quality and lack of crowds make it hard not to enjoy this resort.
Takatsue is not a major tourist destination, making the public transport options limited, but the weekend shuttle from Aizu Koganose Teguchi station allows for 6 hours at the resort. The main train from Tokyo to the station takes a little under 3 hours, and the bus to the resort is a further 30 minutes. If you are staying at Aizu Astoria Hotel, they offer a free shuttle to and from the station. Be sure to contact the hotel to make a booking.
By car, it is roughly 4 hours drive from Tokyo. Takatsue will appeal to those road tripping resorts on Honshu. Make sure you have a 4-wheel or all-wheel drive with winter tires and are confident driving to the conditions.
Aizu Astoria Lodge at the base supports all necessary services, including restrooms and lockers, plus a few dining options. The ticket office and small retail area are in the main lobby. Rest House, located next to Astoria Lodge, provides additional dining area. Ski Center provides a secondary base building at the base of the Sky Road 2 lift. Both areas have lots of free parking that's just a short stroll to the slopes.
On mountain, there is Restaurant La Neige and Highland Cafeteria. Highland has a good selection of menu options and a large seating area, but it does get busy from late morning.
Let's get to the skiing. Although Aizu Takatsue may be small, it boasts well-groomed trails and varied terrain, offering fun variety. There are some challenging steeps, but intermediate skiers in particular will enjoy the extent of terrain available.
For beginners, the base offers a small family zone for learning. However, family trail accessed by their #1 chairlift is a wide long groomer perfect for locking in the basics. Trails like Larch and Central may be shown as red, but they have gentle pitches for beginners ready to explore the resort.
Intermediate skiers will find plenty to enjoy with varied red trails across the resort. Panorama and Paradise off the express lifts are consistent trails perfect for building skills. Enjoy and challenge up the ante and will test skills. While Mountaintop Forest will have the legs burning, but it's worth it for the views.
Advanced skiers will be chasing the powder and steeps on the higher slopes like mountain or honing skills on Top Hill. There are a few short steeps like Slalom and Giant on the lower slopes that warrant a look. There is also plenty of temptation in the trees, adjacent to the steeper trails.
Takatsue has a small halfpipe, great for building skills, and when conditions permit, Snowpark has some decent kickers and rails. Both are serviced by the express lifts, so can be rinsed by park rats.
The ski season at Takatsue can be unpredictable in the early months, but the quality of snow it receives and lack of crowds make it an enjoyable resort to visit. Mid-January through to late February is when the snow is best. Plus, the resort offers first tracks, giving anyone chasing fresh powder an hour to lap the #6 chair before the resort opens.
Being removed from the main tourist resorts, Takatsue is less impacted by Christmas and Chinese New Year crowds. During peak winter months, heavy snowfall can occasionally impact lift operations and road access, but it's a relatively easy drive up to the base.
On a clear day, the views from the summit are incredible, but the trails down are challenging, so best not left to the end of the day. Waiwai Park, free for kids under 2, provides a family zone with heaps of activities to keep the little ones entertained and introduce them to the snow.
As often available in Japanese resorts, a 4-hour pass is an affordable alternative to a full day and might suit those catching the bus or anyone wanting a less intense day out. Online ticket options include a meal ticket or a parent and child discount combo.
As an aside, credit cards are accepted for online ticket purchases, but since the PayPay app used on Mountain is not available to foreigners, you'll need cash for any on-mountain purchases, including food.
Aizu Astoria is the only on-mountain accommodation. There are a number of nearby pensions offering a few lodging choices to suit various budgets and preferences.
Aizu Takatsue is a resort that offers a mix of terrain along with a genuine escape from the tourist crowds. It's an excellent destination for intermediate riders and skiers to build confidence over a few days. Plus, the ticket prices make it an enjoyable day trip option for those seeking something different.
Whether you're carving through well-maintained groomers or chasing pristine powder, Takatsue's snow quality and mix of terrain provides a varied and enjoyable experience. Check out our trail and lift videos to get the most out of your visit to Aizu Takatsue.